Coast to Coast. Book 3. After getting his parents' permission and a little help from Snub and Grandpa, Jack and Gran set off for the mainland. However, it is not all plain sailing or rowing. The Scottish seas can be very turbulent. Will they make it across safely? Are the odds stacked against them? Row, know, show, flow, snow, narrow, elbow, below, foe, toes. Boat, coal, float, moan, groan, shoal, roast. No, go, most, bold, hero, zero, joking, broken, whole, rope, home, close, slope, stone, lonely, probe. Vocabulary: jogging, Scottish, mainland, frothing, sea stack, hobby, sloped. Expression: as flat as a pancake.